Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video, I will be showing you how I created this manicure using dip powders. So here are the powders that I will be using today, and these are from the brand Cuccio Pro, and this video is going to be the part 2 of their Sorbet collection. So I have done the first video of their Sorbet collection, so I will be putting the link in the description box if you're interested. So here are the close-up look of the powders. So the first one is in the shade Punch Sorbet, and next is in the shade Mint Sorbet, and here is the shade Cotton Candy Sorbet, and lastly the shade Peach Sorbet. And for the liquids, again I will be using the Cuccio Pro, and this is their base, layering gel, and their activator. And for my top coat, I will be using my Blue Sky No Wipe top coat. So to start off, I will be applying nail dehydrator to all of my nails to remove the natural oil on my nails. So then next, I move on to the base and I apply a thin layer of this on my nail, and then immediately dip my nail into the powder and then tap off the excess. So I will be using the Mint Sorbet on my pointy nail. So after the first layer, I move on to their layering gel, and if you are using a different brand, this is just basically another layer of your base. And make sure that you brush off all the excess powder before you move on to your next coat, because otherwise your nails will gonna end up really thick and bumpy, and you will end up spending a lot of time with your buffing and filing. So make sure you brush off the excess powder. So the next, I move on to the next shade, which is the Peach Sorbet. So I will be applying this on my middle nail, and again I'm going to apply 3 layers of this on my nails, and I'll be back. So the next, I move on to the next shade, and this is the Punch Sorbet. So I will be applying this on my ring nail. So then after the third coat of Punch Sorbet, I brush off all the excess powder and then move on to the last shade, which is the Cotton Candy Sorbet. So I will be applying this on my pinky and thumb. So again, I will be applying 3 layers of this on my nails. So this shade is probably one of my favorite shades on this collection. So then once I'm finished with all the colors, I move on to my clear powder to encapsulate my nails. This step is optional, but I highly recommend you clear encapsulate your nails because it will protect your colors from filing and buffing. So then once I'm finished with clear, I brush off all the excess powder and then move on to the activator. So I apply generous amount of the activator to all of my nails. This will harden up the powder and make it ready for filing. So after a few minutes, I start filing my nails. So first I use my 180 grit file and start filing the sidewall of my nails. This will bring the shape of my nails. So the next, I'm going to buff my nails. So you can use a buffing block like this, or you can also use like this, and this is 100 and 180 grit buffer. So I just buffing the surface of my nails to make it smooth. So then next, I use toothbrush to remove all the dust. I find that if you use a brush like this, it will help to remove all the stubborn dust on your nails. So then I use alcohol to clean my nails, or you can also wash your hands if you want to. So the next, I move on to my Blue Sky No Wipe Top Coat, and I apply 2 layers of this on my nails and cure it for 30 seconds. This step is optional. You can always use your deep powder top coat if you want to. And this is just a personal preference. So then after I cured my nails, I applied cuticle oil off camera, and we are done. That's it guys for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you on my next one.